give a beautiful painting and a beautiful bride the final touches. We will do powder contouring, blush and highlights and the lipstick. Always remember, you don't need to do, you need to do maybe just a powder because it's a day bride, and try and use a lot of matte. Contouring is to give the shape of your face a perfect oval shape. Apply it to cover the double chin, the forehead, face, nose and blend it with the brush. Like my bride has a nose which is a little more thicker at the bottom, so I'm just going to put a contour there so that I just give her a perfect shape. I'm just also trying to give the little thinner look to her nose. Apply highlighter wherever you want the highlighting features to be highlighted, right? Like the tip of the nose, on your cheekbone, forehead. If it's a small forehead, avoid too much of highlighter if it's a broad forehead, and blend it beautifully. Blush, as it's a day bride, higher on the cheekbones, lesser on the temple. Also use a matte pink, maybe that I'm using, which two shades lighter than the skin color. A little more pink because again it's a day bride and you don't want it to really stand out. So again a pink but 2 shades lighter and not too darker pink. A nice pink, beautiful pink, right? Once you are set, once you're all set and you've applied the lipstick and you've given that perfect shape with the lip liner, with applying the lipstick, again you can use different shades of pink, red. I have done a mix of a pink and a red here. Use a fixing spray to set it all, and also keep a distance. Don't go too near the face. Keep a distance on applying the fixing spray, and leave it for 10 minutes and let it settle. Okay, you could really put a fan, or you could just put in the AC so that it just settles down and you get the whole beautiful look. So here we are. Our gorgeous bride is ready.